Are you with as colder months approach, the demand for reliable garage heaters has skyrocketed. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast, a mechanic, or someone who just wants a cozy workshop, finding the best garage heater is crucial. This guide evaluates top options based on heating power, efficiency, build quality, safety features, and overall value. Whether you prefer electric, propane, or infrared.
List 1. 66 Black Infrared Electric Outdoor Patio Heater. Wall-mounted, perfect for those who want targeted warmth without occupying floor space. The 66 Black Infrared Electric Heater delivers quiet, efficient heat with a sleek, modern design. This 1500 watts wall-mounted heater is ideal for semi-enclosed garages, workshops, or patios. The infrared technology ensures heat is delivered directly to people and objects, not the air, making it more efficient in drafty spaces. The 6-foot, 120-volt plug-in cord and inline switch provide easy installation and user-friendly operation. Though it lacks smart features, its simplicity and durability make it a standout for budget-conscious users who want fast heat with minimal fuss. It's especially well-suited for smaller garages or as a supplemental heating source. Just mount it on the wall, plug it in, and enjoy the warmth within seconds.
List number: Comfort Zone Hardwired Digital Ceiling Mount Heater, 10,000 watt. If you need serious heat for a large garage or workshop, the Comfort Zone Hardwired Ceiling Heater delivers industrial level performance. With 10,000 watts of power at 240 volts, this ceiling-mounted, fan-forced unit covers up to 1,500 square feet with ease. It features a digital thermostat, full-function remote, and multiple heat settings for precision climate control. Safety is a top priority with built-in overheat protection and a heavy-duty steel housing for rugged use. Installation requires a hardwired setup, making it best suited for permanent garage heating solutions. While the setup might be overkill for casual use, professionals and serious hobbyists will appreciate the power, efficiency, and remote access. It's the go-to for heating larger garages in colder climates.
List number:
Mr. Heater 4,000 to 18,000 BTU Portable LP Gas Heater. When portability meets power, the Mr. Heater Portable LP Gas Unit stands out. With an adjustable heat output between 4,000 and 18,000 BTUs, it's ideal for heating garages, job sites, or even outdoor spaces. The dual propane tank connection allows extended use, and its 3 heat settings offer flexibility depending on the space and temperature. This heater is incredibly easy to set up. Just connect to a propane tank and turn it on. Safety features like tip-over protection and an oxygen depletion sensor give peace of mind, especially in enclosed garages. Though it lacks digital controls or a thermostat, its rugged construction and impressive heat output make it perfect for those needing a powerful, mobile heating solution without electricity.
List number: Dreo 25-inch Space Heater with Remote and Thermostat. The Dreo 25-inch Space Heater combines sleek design with impressive performance. It uses fast PTC ceramic heating technology and circulates warm air at 11.5 feet per second, effectively heating small to mid-sized garages quickly. With 3 heating modes, an adjustable thermostat, and a convenient remote, it's a versatile pick for casual garage users. It also includes built-in safety features like overheat protection and tip-over shutoff. The compact tower design means it can easily fit in tight spaces without being intrusive. While it may not be sufficient for large or poorly insulated garages, it's a fantastic option for supplemental heating or smaller areas. Quiet operation and quick heat make it especially popular among hobbyists and casual users.
List 9. Dreo 1500 watt PTC ceramic heater with oscillation and timer. For those who want customizable comfort and energy efficiency, the Dreo 1500 watt ceramic heater is an excellent choice. Its wide 70-degree oscillation ensures even heat distribution, and the PTC ceramic core offers instant warmth. With features like a 1 to 12-hour timer, remote control, and built-in thermostat, it provides smart, efficient heating for small garages and workspaces. It's incredibly user-friendly and safe,
thanks to overheat protection
and a tip-over safety switch. Though compact, it doesn't compromise on performance. The oscillating design is great for spreading warmth in multiple directions, making it more effective than static units. It's best suited for garages under 400 square feet, making it ideal for light-duty users who value convenience and control.